Sister Winnie and the children and the family who just come because we promised to try and be there with you. Thank our friend Victor. Kept me informed actually, even when Ken was sick in hospital. He always kept me informed. And I hoped some time I'll catch up with you. This has been very heavy for you, but we want to urge you to rely on the Lord entirely. Ken was also known as Reverend Ken Kaluni. The Lord that he served will have him rest eternally. But the rest of us have work to do, and a lot of work. A lot of work. Let us, for example, remember who we are, where we come from. See Philip Okundi reminds me about our history. He looks strong. For you, Albert, I don't have much to say. I'm just your elder brother. Just only, I'm older by 1 week. We born the same year, but older by 1 week. We keep it well. And to see our brother speaker here, Brother Aroma, we remind ourselves of a lot of things. The amount of tear gas I've eaten with this brother. The amount of tear gas. Let's never forget these things. Because at the end of the day, Mheshimiwa Ndikala, we are who we are. Let's not forget our history, even going forward. Let's not forget each other, even. Chairman Eric, a wonderful man. He even gave me some accommodation of a radio station. Amazing people. So let's really surround this family with as much love as we can. Looking, when I went home, I saw that young man, the photocopy of his father. Ken has not died, he has slept. And we have his photocopy there. Still growing tall. So we feel that it's our duty to do the much we can. And we may not join you out there, but tomorrow we'll try and be there. Assume the funeral service is here. Ken used to call me Dad. Standing tall, just imagine Ken calling me Dad. Because he had a big heart and big mission in life. So those projects that are not completed, we need, you've shared with us things that Victor is following as an advocate. Follow them vigorously. And let our friend Raila follow them. Because he's also sitting very strong in the present circumstances. If he can manage to get things waived, he can also get things paid. There are lots of money owed to this family, and we hope we can actually get them paid so they can settle a lot of things. There's 2 young men still in school, still studying. I thought you had to go back, isn't it, at some stage, to the US. Yeah. So this is a wonderful family, and that is why we are here. This is why we are here, to honor Ken and to remind ourselves of the struggles we have gone through, LDP, as it then was. And Svetlana, you've done your research. This guy has a good mind. Yeah, very good mind. And so you represent your party leader well. And not to be quoted by the media, but it is one man who knows the mind of Jacom as this guy. Not any of you guys. I can attest to that. So when I want to check on some facts, I know Sufuna is there. It's really very solid as Secretary General of ODM. Let us hope going forward we'll be able to find each other again. If we don't, so be it. But let's remember, Ken and my brother here, these things should never be murky, messy, and with consequences. Brother Aroma, I have to put some light into this thing. Thank you so much.